What is this feminist movement and do you support it? So this is the question. If you are the member before the board, what would be your answer to the entry board? Anybody? If you are the person before the entry board, what would be your answer to the entry board? So the question says, have you heard of feminism? So your answer may be yes. What is this feminist movement? So you are going to talk about the movement about the maybe empowerment of women like that. Do you support it? Even you inside you may like it, may not like it, but definitely say to the board, yes, I do. So this is the way how the answer goes. But that is not the way how you have to answer the UPSC. So this man, when such a question came to him, he devised the methodology to answer the board. He answered like this. Feminism essentially refers to emancipation and empowerment of women. So this is the answer, it is over. But he just extended his answer and says, it is two aspects, because the third question is, do you support it? So he comes to this, it is two aspects. What are the two aspects? The first is the educational, economic, social empowerment of women, enabling them to have the capacity to earn and be financially secure. So this is the first part of feminism. So that is one, because it said two parts. The second aspect is akin to merely giving boost to the ego of women. One thing is empowerment and emancipation. The second thing is ego of the women. So that is also part of generally thought as the feminist movement. He said, though I support the former, merely giving a boost to the ego without there being financial security and independence is not advisable, as it may lead to conflicts at the micro level. So he has the focus that this, I don't like it. Actually, his question can be say yes or no, but he has extended in such a way that he wants to give scope for further discussion.